how to create Instagram account. If you don't have Instagram app installed on a device yet, go ahead and download Instagram app from the App Store. After your Instagram is finally downloaded on a device, go ahead and open Instagram app. After you open it, if you already have existing account, you can just go ahead and log in, or if you want to create a new account from scratch, go ahead and create new account or sign up, as it might say. After you press it, there you go, you can see it might require your mobile number or email address. Go ahead and fill the email address or mobile number as you prefer. After you have entered your email address, go ahead and press next. You can just enter your mobile number as well to use for login. And after some time, the confirmation code will be sent to your email address or mobile devices that you have entered earlier. After you receive the confirmation code, go ahead and press next. After that, you have to create a password for your account. If you want to just save it, go ahead and press save or not now. And it might require for your date of birth. I'm just gonna enter a random date of birth and press next. After you entered it, it might ask for your name. Just go ahead and fill it. After you enter the username that you want to use, go ahead and press next. After that, Instagram requires you to agree to Instagram's term and policies. After you read all the policies, go ahead and enter I agree. After you've done that, it might require you to add a profile photo. If you want to add, just go ahead and press add, or else you can just go ahead and press skip. And that is how you can sign up or create Instagram account in 2024 with the easiest steps. So if you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.